Fasten your belts, we're going on a space travel with Galaxy Makeup. Watch this video to know how to turn ordinary beauty products into awesome cosmetics quickly and easily. Meet a curious girl who's interested in the stars and galaxies. She's read a number of books about it. Let's call her Starry. Starry dreams of going on a space trip and discovering new planets. She's got a rocket-shaped mascara to carry out her dream. Flap your lashes and fly away. Wrap your mascara into air-dry clay. Soak your hands in water to make the clay flexible. Smooth the surface. Attach the clay to the top and the tube separately to let the mascara open easily. Imprint a round shape on the top to make a porthole. Cut out cardboard rocket fins. Put them into the body tube. Let the clay dry for 24 hours. Then you can paint the rocket. Define black details. Color the body tube with white acrylic paint. Make a red top and bottom. Make a blue porthole. Define it with pearl gray paint. The rocket is ready to launch. Let Starry use the rocket for her space trip. 3, 2, 1, launch! Wow! Space is so big and the rocket is so small. Stars and galaxies are rushing by. Oh, what's this? It looks like an unidentified flying object. I'll take it with me. And in the meantime, the chief galaxy manager is bored at the office. Miss Moon's going to open a new planet. We'll need a travel hairbrush with a mirror or a round compact powder. Cut a foam plastic ball in half. Hot glue one half to the top. Paint it pink. Use acrylic paint. And carefully color the whole surface. Attach the other half to the bottom. Color it pink as well. Make cloudiness around the planet. Take hollow fiber filling and hot glue it around the foam plastic. We've got a cute macaroon-shaped planet covered with a constant cloudiness. There's a whole universe inside. Moon opens the planet and looks at the mirror. She likes what she sees. She's as nice as ever. Who can say she isn't? She wants to do her hair with this little brush. Oh, I've forgotten. The moon has no hair. You can brush up your craters. Moon has a visitor at last. Starry is happy to see her. She didn't think she could meet Moon at the office. What a lovely hat. I want to have the same. Moon likes to grant wishes. She gives her Starry a halo as a gift. In return, Starry shows Moon what she's found, a flying EOS saucer. Trace an EOS top on thick paper. Make a bigger circle. Be sure the little one is in the center. Cut out the ring. Color the EOS container with blue nail polish. Paint the paper ring gray. Apply fluorescent paint on top. Make fluorescent dots using a Q-tip on the top of the container. Take off the top. Put on the ring, then twist the top back. Turn off the light. An unidentified flying object is found out. The EOS bomb has turned into an extraterrestrial spacecraft from the furthest world. The flying saucer is glowing mysteriously in the dark. Starry opens the UFO and puts the bomb on her lips. Moon's turned yellow with envy. She wants EOS as well. That's why she proposes an exchange, a star glow instead of EOS. Starry has glittered lips and Moon likes what she's gained. Moon doesn't want to let her guest free. She suggests going shopping together. They go to a store to choose beauty products. Finally, Starry pays for their purchase at the cash desk. It's been so long.